Hello there, today we're going to talk briefly about olive oil. Now, if you're anything like me, over the past couple of years, you've probably had a journey where you start thinking about microplastics and you start thinking about where your food is coming from and the quality of your food. And when we're looking at oils, most of us nowadays know that seed oils are basically the devil. So we're avoiding, aren't we, sunflower oil and rapeseed oil and canola and stuff like this, and we're leaning more into good quality olive oils and into avocado oils and so on. So in terms of olive oil, most of us know the stuff that we want, don't we? We know we want a dark bottle, we know we want a good source, we know we want organic, we know we want like a cold press, an extra virgin. We all have in our head what we want. And ever since COVID times, certainly from the Mediterranean countries, the olive oil prices have kind of gone quite high, and you can be getting up towards 20 quid or more for a nice quality olive oil for a litre. So recently we've come across this stuff, Terra Delyssa or Delyssa, however you would pronounce it. It's from Tunisia. Organic extra virgin olive oil, single cold pressed, dark bottle, sediment on the bottom, everything you want. Nice little barcode on the side where you can trace where it comes from. It is, the absolute dog's Watsits. This is the proper stuff. Nice organic stuff. Now, if you can find this in the supermarkets, it's listed on some of the online supermarkets. What availability they have, I don't know. On Tesco and Sainsbury's, I found it at kind of 11, 12, 13 pounds a litre. Now, at the moment, prices may change. It depends when you're watching this video. But at the moment, in the supermarkets, this is 11, 12, 13, sometimes 14 pounds a litre. We've got two of these together for under 20 quid, including Royal Mail delivery in the UK. It's excellent, excellent value for what is a really, really nice quality organic olive oil. And it's, again, like everything else in our shop, this is stuff we use ourselves, and this is the reason that this stuff ends up on our shop. And this is the reason that this shop exists, really. It's kind of curated things that we found in our travels, not just random stuff we buy from warehouses that we've never tried ourselves. It's good stuff that we use ourselves. This stuff is what we use at home, what we cook with, what we put on salads. It's good, it's lovely, it's good stuff. It's nice oil. So we make it available to you as well. So here it is. If you're watching this on YouTube, down below is a link where you can go and buy it on the shop. And again, if you're on YouTube, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks very much. See you next time.